Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be walking through how to launch a Shopify store. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. In order to launch a Shopify store, first of all we need to create a Shopify account. So for that, search shopify.com and you will directly jump into Shopify official website, and now enter your email address here. And we can start 14-day free trial, so click on it and enter a login password here, and this is the store URL. To change the URL, click on edit, and now you can change or edit the Shopify store name, and if it's available then click on create a store. And fill up this three option here. And click on next. And fill up this address book. And click on enter my store. So here I can see I've successfully created a Shopify account, and now let's see how to customize the store. So go to online store and we need to install a theme. You can install the default theme by clicking here or scroll down, or you can visit free themes library by clicking here. Also you can see their premium theme from this button, but right now I'm going to installing the default theme. So the theme has been successfully installed, and to preview the store, click on view your store. And here you can see my store has been successfully launched. And to edit or customize the site or store, click on customize, then you'll be able to customize your store. And now go to home, and now you can add product by clicking here. You can add domain from here. You can set shipping rates and shipping address from here. So this was how we can launch a Shopify store. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.